Hey, Steve Ostrowski with Trimble and the Building Point teams. In this video, we're going to show you how a large steel fabrication facility lays out their massive steel beams and stiffeners, bolt holes, and girders that go with it. The first and most important step is seen here in placing the total station. So it has good line of sight to the layout area, and so it's out of the way. As the total station can shoot a couple thousand feet with the same 16th of an inch accuracy, just that line of sight is the most important. After doing that, you need to make sure that you can set up the total station either if the component is level and in the right orientation with a 2-point setup or resection. If it is not, you can actually rotate the model like seen here by simply selecting it and changing that rotation. So here you can see I'm actually grabbing the center of rotation, zooming into that same component, and then I can rotate that 90. And what that'll do is actually rotate that component if it was actually sitting on the ground like that. The other thing I could do, if it isn't in the right orientation, is actually set up the total station with a component-based setup. So instead of 2 points like a traditional resection, you can do 3, and it'll put that total station in that orientation to fit. Now, one of the drawbacks to component setup is it will not do laser layout. It won't do iterative measurements at this point. It just do standard laser layout, not visual. So that is kind of a drawback. As you can see here, we check the stiffener locations to make sure that they're in the right spot. You can see they're actually somewhat off, and the reason for that in the elevation is because the weight of this beam is so much it's actually pushing down. So you can see here that the stiffener was in the right location horizontally by about 3/16 of an inch, but vertically it's off by about 2 inches. Now, doing this before you actually start welding will improve your layout efficiency, and then afterwards for QA/QC you can actually transfer this back to Trimble Connect. Sending that information back, you can see here, we'll communicate with the rest of the team that everything was built the way it was designed, and you can keep that information as you go through the entire project. So after this ships out to site to be put up to transport the cars over the top of it or the trains, you can actually confirm that this is built exactly as designed. So thank you, and please reach out to Trimble or your nearest Building Point representative for more information.